Before we dive into making your vacuum cleaner sparkle, we need to talk about the single most important step: safety. It might seem obvious, but you would be surprised how many people forget this crucial first action. Always, always, always unplug your vacuum cleaner from the wall outlet before you begin any type of cleaning or maintenance. This simple act prevents any accidental startups, which could be dangerous for your fingers and damaging to the machine itself. Once your vacuum is safely disconnected, take a moment to move it to a suitable workspace. I recommend laying down some old newspapers or a towel. Now is also the perfect time to gather all the supplies you might need: scissors, a microfiber cloth, a small brush, and maybe a broom handle. If you have a bagless model, carefully detach the canister from the main body of the vacuum. I highly recommend doing this directly over a trash can to minimize the dust cloud that's about to happen. For those with a bagged vacuum, once you open the main compartment, you'll see the disposable bag. Carefully slide the old bag out and place it directly into the trash. Next up are the filters, which are the lungs of your vacuum cleaner. Most vacuums have at least 1 or 2 filters. If your filters are washable, rinse them under cool, running water until the water runs clear. Don't use any soap or detergents, as this can damage the filter material. Once they are clean, set them aside to air dry completely for at least 24 hours. It is absolutely essential that they are bone dry before you put them back. Now let's move to the brush roll, also known as the beater bar. To clean it, you may need to unscrew a bottom plate to get full access. This rotating brush is fantastic at agitating carpet fibers, but it's also a magnet for hair, string, and thread. Use your scissors to carefully snip through the tangled mess. After you've cut through all the wrapped up hair and fibers, you can use your fingers to pull everything free. Be gentle but thorough. With the brush roll clean, it's time to inspect the hose for blockages. Detach the hose completely from both the vacuum body and the wand. Hold it up and drop a small, heavy object like a coin through it. If it falls straight through, your hose is clear. If it gets stuck, you've found a clog. To clear a clog, you can use a broom handle to carefully push the blockage through. Be very careful not to puncture the hose while you're doing this. With all the internal parts clean and drying, it's time to give the outside some attention. Wipe down the entire exterior, including wheels, handle, and attachments. Before you put everything back together, do one final check to ensure every single component is completely dry. Patience is key here. Once everything is confirmed dry, you can reassemble your vacuum, following your manual if needed. Now for the moment of truth. Plug your freshly cleaned vacuum back in and turn it on to test it out. You should immediately notice a significant improvement in suction power. It will likely sound healthier and run more smoothly too. Taking just a few minutes to perform this maintenance routine can make your vacuum feel brand new again. And if you ever feel that your whole home needs a professional touch, companies like Bear Brothers Cleaning offer expert services to get your space very clean, giving you one less thing to worry about. Call Bear Brothers Cleaning at 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com, because your home deserves to be very clean. A clean vacuum is the first step to a truly clean home.